Hi, I'm from Philippines and I am a migrant worker here in Saudi Arabia. In this video, I'm going to teach you some basic Tagalog, which is a language I use in Philippines, and some basic Arabic, which is a language I use here in Saudi Arabia. So, let's start. Number 1, welcome. Mabuhay. Marhaba. I am John Lloyd. Ako si John Lloyd. Ana John Lloyd. How are you? Kumusta ka? Kaif al-hal? Are you new here in Goodwall? Bago ka ba dito sa Goodwall? Inta jadid hina Goodwall? Yes, I am. Oo Aywa. Are you sure that you are teaching me the right words? Sigurado ka ba sa mga tinuturo mo? Inta talem ana miya miya? Of course, yes. Oo naman. Akid. Thank you. Salamat. Shukran. Goodbye. Paalam. Maasalamat.